There are several reasons why the radio may not be working. And you may have seen on the internet that people restart the radio reset by pressing these buttons, holding them for like 10 seconds, and the radio resets. But unfortunately, this doesn't work in most cases. So to reset this radio properly, you may need to disconnect the battery. This is the easiest way, for several minutes, and then reconnect, and then the radio will lose all the settings, all the memory, but it will be reset, and you will see if the problem is with just the software in this radio, some electronic glitch, and it will work again or not. Alternatively, to not lose all the memory, all the settings in your car, you may use the fuses that's located down there. So in terms of the fuse map, it may be different for every model year in the engine, so be careful with this. I have this radio F19 fuse and also radio sync F10 fuse in this car, and in this map you can see there's F10 and F19. There are two fuses that are located in the upper part. It's pretty complicated to reach it from here, so anyway, disconnecting the battery would be the easiest way. Anyway, if the fuses are blown there, even when you disconnect the radio, nothing helps, nothing happens, and radio will not work. You will need to replace those fuses. Or alternatively, it's not that uncommon that in Fiestas, after they reach 10 years old or something like that, these buttons stop working. So you don't have the power button working, and of course the radio doesn't turn on. So fortunately, you can replace these buttons without replacing the entire radio. This button panel can be replaced, and if your radio doesn't respond, doesn't work, but still shows something on that screen, it may mean that these buttons are faulty, and before you buy the new radio, you may try buying the used button set, the used button panel, and just replacing it. It's not that complicated, but be careful when you're working with this stream, because it's easy to damage it.